probability of a coin showing head is P, and the 100 such coins are tossed. If the probability of 50 coins showing head is same as the 51 coins showing head, then P is equal to dash. This is TSM set 2015 question. It is given that probability of showing head is P, then the probability of showing tail is 1 minus P. So probability of showing head is equal to P, and the probability of showing tail is equal to 1 minus P. So 100 coins are tossed. That means P here is given condition if P of x is equal to 50, that is 50 coins showing head is same as the 51 coins showing head, that is P of x is equal to 51. P of x is equal to 50, that means 100 C 50 into P to the power of 50 into 1 minus P to the power of 50 is equal to P of x is equal to 51. That means 100 C 51 P power 49 P to the power of 51 into 1 minus P whole to the power of 49. 100 C 50, that is 100 factorial by 50 factorial into 50 factorial. P power 50 1 minus P whole power 50 is equal to 100 factorial by 51 factorial into 49 factorial. P to the power of 51 1 minus P whole to the power of 49. Here 100 factorial cancel, 50 factorial 51 factorial cancel, that is 50, and 49 factorial 50 factorial cancel, here is 50. So that is P to the power of 50 P to the power of 51, 50 cancel, P is there, 1 minus P whole to the power of 49, 1 minus P whole to the power of 50, here is 1 minus P. 1 minus P by 50 is equal to, here is P by 51. So 51 minus 51P is equal to 50P. So 51 is equal to 51P plus 50P, that is equal to 101P, or P is equal to 51 by 101. This is the value of P. A 5-digit number is formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with no digit being repeated. The probability that the number is divisible by 4 is dash. Here is 5 letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, n of s is equal to 5 factorial. So the number is divisible by 4. Number is divisible by 4. That means last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. So last 2 digits can be possible ways are 1 2, write down all the ways, 1 2, 3, 1 4, 1 5, and 2 1, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 5, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4. Here 12 is divisible by 4, and 13 not divisible, 14 15 not divisible, and 24 is divisible by 4, and 32 is also divisible by 4, and next to 44 is a repeated number. This is 45. So 51 52 is also divisible by 4. So the number which are divisible by 4 is 12, 24, 32 and 52. So remaining 3 places can be filled by 3 factorial ways. So favorable outcomes, that is n of e is equal to 3 factorial into divisible by 4, that is 4 ways. Therefore probability of e is equal to n of e by n of s. N of e is 3 factorial into 4 by 5 factorial, that is equal to 4 by 4 into 5. 4 cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 5. When a pair of 6-faced pair dice are thrown, the probability that the sum of the numbers on the dice is greater than 7 is. This is TSMSET 2016. So total outcomes that is n of s is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and favorable outcomes that is sum greater than 7, that is, so write down all the values, that is 2 comma 6, next 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, comma 4 comma 4, so 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 3, so 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, comma 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So therefore total values is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So favorable outcomes which are sum greater than 7, that are n of e is equal to 15. Therefore required probability is equal to n of e by n of s, that is equal to 15 by 36, that is equal to 5 3s are 15, 12 3s are 36, that is equal to 5 by 12. If capital A and capital B are events having probabilities P of A is equal to 0.6 and P of B is equal to 0.4 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0, then the probability of neither A nor B occurs is. This is TSMSET 2017 question. Here is given P of A. P of A is equal to 0.6. P of B is equal to 0.4. P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Now we find P of A union B. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is 0.6 plus 0.4 minus 0, that is equal to 1. P of A union B is equal to 1. Now the probability of neither A nor B occurs, that means P of A bar intersection B bar, that is equal to P of A union B whole bar, that is equal to 1 minus P of A union B, that is equal to 1 minus P of A union B value is 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore probability of A bar intersection B bar is equal to 1. A bag contains 5 red balls, 3 black balls and 4 white balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. The probability that they are not same color. Here asking probability that they are not same color. That means 1 minus same color. So required probability is equal to probability is equal to 1 minus same color. Same color of probability, that is 1 minus same color is, that is 5 red balls from 3 balls are drawn, that is 5C3, 3 black balls drawn from 3 balls, that is 4 white balls, that is 4C3. By total balls is 5 plus 3 8 plus 4 12, that 12C. 1 minus 5C3, 5C3 value is 10 plus 3C3 1, 4C3 4 by 12C3 is 12 into 11 into 10 by 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 times cancel, is equal to 220 by 220, that is equal to 1 minus 15 by 220. 3 5s are 4 5s are 4 5s are 1 minus 3 by 44, that is equal to 41 by 44. Match the items from list 1 that of list 2. A bag contains 4 red balls and 3 white balls and 5 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at a time randomly from the bag. First one, probability of getting 1 red, 1 white and 1 blue ball is, that is 1 red ball from 4 red balls, that is 4C1, 1 white ball from 3 white balls, that is 3C1, and 1 blue ball from 5 blue balls, that is 5C1 by total number of balls is 12, 12C3, that is 4C1, 4 into 3 into 5 by, so 12C3 is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 2 times cancel, 2 into 10, 20, 20 into 11, 220, so this value is 220. 5 into 4, 20, this 20, 11 times cancel, that is equal to 3 by 11. So first one is mapping to D. And second one is probability of getting 2 white and 1 blue ball. 2 white balls out of 3 white balls, that is 3C2, 1 blue ball 5C1 by total number 12C3, that is equal to 3 into 5 by 12C3 value is 220. So 5 4 that is equal to 3 by 44. So 3 by 44. Second one is mapping to A. And the third one is probability of getting 2 red and 1 white ball. 2 red balls out of 4 red balls, that is 4C2, and 1 white ball, that is 3C1 by 12C3. 4C2, that is 4C2 is 6, to 3C1 3 by 12C3, that is 220. That is equal to 3 2s are 7 0. Is 3 into 3 9 by 110. So that is fourth one is mapping to E. And fourth one, none of them, probability that none of the ball is white, so no white ball. So out of white balls there are 4 red and 5 blue balls, that is total balls is 9, that is 9C3 by total balls is 12C. So 9C3 value is 84 by 220, is equal to 21 by 55. So fourth one is mapping to B. Suppose capital A and capital B are events of a random experiment such that P of A is equal to 1 by 3, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 5, and P of A union B is equal to 3 by 5. Match the items from list 1 to list 2. Here is list 1, P of A by B, P of B bar, P of A intersection B bar, P of B intersection A bar. First we find P of B. We know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. P of A union B, that is 3 by 5, is equal to P of A, that is 1 by 3, plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 5. So P of B is equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, that is equal to 15 LCM. So 9 minus 5 plus 3. So 9 minus 5, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 by 15. Therefore P of B equal to by 15. Now we find P of B bar. P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 7 by 15. Therefore P of B bar is equal to 8 by 15. This is the second option. P of B bar is 8 by 15. And now we find P of A by B. P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B value is 1 by 5 by P of B is 7 by 15, is equal to 1 by 5 into 15 by 7. 5 3 times cancelled, that is equal to 3 by 7. So P of A by B is 3 by 7. A is mapped to fifth one. And the third one, P of A intersection B bar, that is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A value is 1 by 3 minus P of A intersection B 1 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 2 by 15. So that is C is mapped to 1. And the fourth one, P of B intersection A bar, that is P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of B value is 7 by 15, A intersection B 1 by 5 is equal to 7 minus 3 by 15 is equal to 4 by 15. So D is mapped to second one. A number n is chosen at random from the natural numbers 2 to 1001. The probability that n is a number that leaves remainder when divided by 7 is. This is TSM set 2018 question. Here is n of s. N of s total numbers is equal to 2 to 1001, that is 1000 numbers. And the set A, we take set A, the probability that the number that leaves remainder 1 when divided by 7. So that is 8. This is divisible by 7, remainder is 1. Next one is 15. Next one 22 up to dash dash. Last number is 995. These numbers are divisible by 7 when leaves remainder 1. So we know that this series is AP series, that is 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 7, that is equal to 995. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 995 minus 995 minus 8. Is 995 minus 8 is 983. 987. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal into 7 is equal to 987. Equal to n minus 1 is equal to 141. So n is equal to 140 plus 1, 142. Therefore P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. Here n of A is 142 by 1000, that is equal to 2 cancel, 7 ones are 1 ones are 5000, that is 500. If capital A and capital B are two independent events such that P of B is equal to 2 by 7 and P of A intersection B complement is equal to 0.8, then P of A union B is equal to dash. Here is given P of B. P of B is equal to 2 by 7. From this, P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B. 1 minus 2 by 7, that is equal to 5 by 7. And P of A intersection B bar, that is equal to P of A plus P of B bar minus P of A intersection A union B bar. Here is given A and B are independent events, that is P of A into P of B bar. P of A intersection B bar, that is 0.8, that is P of A plus P of B bar, that is 5 by 7 minus P of A into 5 by 7. So 0.8 is, that is 8 by 10 minus 5 by 7 is equal to, take P of A common, that is 1 minus 5 by 7. So 7 into 8, 56 minus 50 by 70 is equal to P of A into 2 by 7. So 56 minus 50, that is 6 by 70 is equal to 2 by 7 into P of A. So 7 10 times cancel. So that therefore P of A is equal to, this is 6, 2 3 times cancel. So P of A is equal to 3 by 10. This is the P of A. Now P of A union B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. So P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B, here A and B are two independent events, that is P of A plus P of B minus intersection B means P of A into P of B, because they are independent events. P of A value, that is P by 10 plus P of B 2 by 7 minus 3 by 10 into 2 by 7, that is equal to 70 LCM. 7 into 3 21 plus 10 into 2 20 minus 6, 3 plus 21 41 minus 6 35, that is 35 by, that is equal to 1 by 2. If capital A and capital B are two events such that P of A bar is equal to 0.3, P of B is equal to 0.4 and P of A intersection B bar is equal to 0.5, then P of B by A union B bar is dash. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Here is given P of A bar, that is equal to 0.3. So this is given. Now we find P of A. P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 0.3. From this P of A is equal to 0.7. And P of B is given, that is P of B is equal to 0.4. So P of B bar is 1 minus P of B bar, that is equal to 0.4. Therefore P of B bar is equal to 1 minus 0.4, that is 0.6. And P of A intersection B bar is equal to 0.5. We know that P of A intersection B bar is P of A minus P of A intersection B is equal to 0.5. Here P of A value is 0.7. That is 0.7 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 0.5. Therefore P of A intersection B is equal to 0.7 minus 0.5 is 0.2. Is P of A intersection B value. Now we find P of B by A intersection B bar, that is equal to P of B intersection A union B, A union B bar. This is union A union B bar by P of A union B bar. So applying this De Morgan laws, P of B intersection A union B intersection B bar by P of A intersection B bar, that is P of A plus P of B bar minus P of A intersection B bar. This B intersection B bar is pi, so that is P of B intersection A, that is P of A intersection B by P of A plus P of B bar minus P of A intersection B bar. P of A intersection B value, that is 0.2 by P of A 0.7 plus P of B bar, that is 0.6 minus P of A intersection B bar, that is 0.5, that is equal to 0.2 by 0.8, that is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. The value of P of B by A union B bar is equal to 0. If a number selected from the first 30 natural numbers, then the probability that the number is selected is divisible by 4 or 7 is. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Here A be the event selected number divisible by 4. Capital A be the event that the selected number is divisible by by 4 is A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 4. These are the divisible by 4. And B, capital B the event. The number is divisible by 7. That is equal to 7, 14, 21, 28. These four are divisible by 7 up to 30 numbers. So n of B, n of A is equal to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 by 30 total numbers, and n of B is equal to 4 by 30. A intersection B is equal to, common numbers in these are the only one, that is 28. So n of A intersection B is equal to 1. So required probability of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A value is 7 by 30 plus P of B 4 by 30 minus intersection B, that is 1 by 30. 7 plus 4, 11 minus 1, 10 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 3. If 80% flights depart on time, 70% flights arrive on time, and 65% flights depart on time and arrive on time, then the probability that the flights that had just departed on time will arrive on time is dash. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Let A be the event. Let capital A be the event that flight depart on time. That means P of A is equal to 80% is given, that is 80 by 100. And let capital B be the event that the flight arrive on time. That is P of B is equal to 70% is given, that is 70 by 100. Now P of A intersection B is equal to 65%, 65 by 100. So required probability is equal to probability. Here the flight that just departed on time and will arrive on time, that is P of B by A, that is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. So P of A intersection B value is 65 by 100 by P of A, 80 by 100. So 100 cancel, that is equal to 65 by 80. So 13 5s are 16 5s is equal to 13 by 60. A bag contains 6 red and 2 white balls and 8 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at random from the bag. Match the items from list 1 to list 2. This is TSMCET 2019 question. Here is first question. Probability that none of the balls is white. That means remove the white balls. Total number of balls out of white balls 6 plus 8, 14 balls. That is 14. 3 balls are drawn. 14 C3 by total number of balls. That is 16 C3. 14 C3. 14 into 13 into 12 by 16 C3. 16 into 15 into 14. So 14 cancel. So 3 4s are 4 4s are. That is 13. So 3 5 times cancelled. 13 by 20. So first one is mapped to third one. Second one, the probability of getting 2 white and 1 blue ball. 2 white balls means that is 2C2 into 1 blue ball, that is 8C1 by 16C3, that is equal to 2C2, that is 1 into 8 by 16C3, 16 into 15 into 14 by 123, that is 1 into 2 into 3. So 8 to 2 times cancelled, 2 cancelled, so 3 5 times cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 5 into 14, that is equal to 1 by 70. So B is mapped to 1. And third question, probability of getting 2 blue and 1 white ball. 2 blue balls means that is 8C2 into 1 white ball, that is 2C1 by 16C3, that is 8C2, 8 into 7 by 1 into 2, 2C1, that is 2 by 16C3, 16 into 15 into 14 by 1 into 2 into 3. So here 1 into 2, 2 cancel, so 8 2 times cancel, 7 2 times cancel, this 2 cancel, 3 5 times cancel, is equal to 1 by 5 into 2, that is 1 by 10. So C is mapped to fourth. And last one, D, probability of getting 1 red and 1 white, 1 blue ball. 1 red ball means 6C1 and 1 white ball, that is 2C1, 1 blue ball, that is 8C1 by 16C3, is equal to 6 into 2 into 8 by 16 into 15 into 14 to 1 into 2 into 3. So this 8 to 2 times cancelled, this 2 cancelled, so 2 7 times cancelled, and 3 5 times, that is equal to 6 by 5 into 7 35, 6 by 35. D is mapped to second option. Two persons A and B throwing an unbiased 6-faced dice alternatively with the condition that the person who throws 3 first wins the game. If A starts the game, then probability of A and B to win the same are dash. MSET 2015 question. Here is first who throws 3, then win the game. So success is equal to P is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore 1 by 6. And Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. Probability of A wins the game. Probability of A wins the game. Game is equal to P by 1 minus Q square. This is the shortcut formula. So here P value is 1 by 6 by 1 minus Q square, that is 25 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 36 by 36 minus 25, that is 36 minus 25, that is 11. So times cancelled, that is equal to 6 by 7. And probability of B wins the game, that is equal to PQ by 1 minus Q square. So this is the shortcut formula. PQ, that is P is 1 by 6 and Q is 5 by 6 by 1 minus 25 by 36, that is equal to 5 by 36, 36 minus 25 by 36, cancel, equal to 5 by 11. The B winning the game is 5 by 11, A winning the game is 6 by 11. The letters of the word question are arranged in a row at random, the probability that there are exactly two letters between Q and S is MSET 2015 question. Here is given question Q U E S T I O N. Here there are 8 letters. 8 letters they can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. Therefore, n of s is equal to 8 factorial. And n of e is equal to, in between q and s, this is the q, in between q and s, there are 2 letters can be arranged out of 6 letters. This can be arranged in 6p2 ways. Into these 2 letters they can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So QES, this is taken as 1 pack and the remaining 4 letters. This 1 pack and remaining 4 letters. Total letters is 5. These 5 they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, probability of is equal to n of e by n of s. So n of e, that is 6p2 into 2 factorial into 5 factorial by 8 factorial. So 6p2, 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial is 5 into 4 factorial by 8 factorial. 4 factorial cancel. This 6 factorial and 8 factorial, 7 into 8 times cancel. 2 factorial 4 times cancel is equal to 5 by 28. If 1 plus 3p by 3 comma 1 minus 2p by 2 are probabilities of two mutual exclusive events, then p lies in the interval. This is MSET 2015 question. So probability lies in between 0 to 1. That is 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p by 3 less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p less than or equal to 3. So minus 1 less than or equal to 3p less than or equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2 by 3. And the second one is 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 2p by 2 less than or equal to 1. That is 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 2p less than or equal to 2. So minus 1 less than or equal to minus 2p less than or equal to 1. Multiplying by minus, that is minus 1 less than or equal to 2p less than or equal to minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 by 2. So from one and two equations, p lies in the interval minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 closed interval. This is p belongs to the probability that an event does not happen in one trial is 0.8. The probability that event happens at most once in 3 trials is dash. Here does not happen is given, that q value is given, is equal to 0.8. p is equal to 1 minus. Here is 3 trials, that n is equal to 3. We know that from binomial theorem, p of x is equal to r equal to cr p to the power of r 2 to the power of n minus r. So p of x is equal to r. Here is asking at most once, that means none means p of x is equal to 0 plus 1 time, that is p of x is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 0 means 3c 0. 0.2 whole to the power of 0 into 0.8 whole to the power of 3 minus 0 plus 3c1 into 0.2 whole power 1 into 0.8 whole to the power of 3 minus 1. 3c0 value is 1, 0.2 whole power 0, 1, 0.8 whole cube plus 3c1 is 3 into 0.2 into 0.8 square. So 0.8 whole cube 8 by 10 whole cube 3 into 2 by 10 to 0.8 by 10 square. So 10 cube, that is 1000 LCM. 8 cube is 512 plus 3 into 2 6, 6 into square, 8 square, that 4, 384, 895,000 equal to 0.896. The probability distribution of a random variable is given below the table. Capital X is equal to small x. P of x is equal to x. Z for 0, 0, 1k, 2, 2k, 3, 2k, 4, 3k, 5k square, 6, 2k square, 7, 7k square plus k. Then find the value of P of 0 less than x less than 5 is. This is MSET 2015 question. We know that probability of value is 1, that is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. So that is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10k square, 3k, 2k, 5k, 3k, 8k plus 1, 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. So take factorization, 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. 10k common, that is k plus 1 minus 1 common, k plus 1. So k plus 1 into 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. Here k cannot be negative. 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 1 by 10. Now we find the value of P of 0 less than x less than 5. That means P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 plus P of x is equal to 4. So P of x is equal to 1, that is given k, x is equal to 2, 2k, x is equal to 3, 2k, x is equal to 4, 3k is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 8k, that is equal to 8 into k value 1 by 10, that is equal to 8 by 10. If capital A and capital B are events such that P of A union B is equal to 5 by 6, P of A bar is equal to 1 by 4 and P of B is equal to 1 by 3, then A and B are dash. This is TS MSET 2015 question. Here is given P of A union B is equal to 5 by 6 and P of A bar is given, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now we find P of A. P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A bar is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 and P of B is equal to 1 by 3. Now we find P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So P of A, that is 3 by 4 plus P of B, that is 1 by 3 minus P of A intersection B, that is 5 by 6, that is equal to, take LCM, that is 12 LCM. So 3 times 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 minus 10, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 10, that is 3 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 4. P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 4. Now we find P of A into P of B. P of A value is 3 by 4 into P of B 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 4. So from these two equations, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to P of A into P of B. That means A and B are independent events. Capital A and capital B are dependent events. If capital A and capital B are two events such that P of A by B is equal to 0.6, P of B by A is equal to 0.3 and P of A is equal to 0.1, then find the value of P of A bar intersection B bar equals to. TSM set 2015 question. Here is given P of B by A. P of B by A is equal to 0.3. We know that P of B by A is equal to P of B intersection A by P of A equal to 0.3. So P of A value, that is P of B intersection A, is equal to P of B intersection A is equal to 0.3 into P of A. That P of A value is given 0.3 into 0.1, that is equal to 0.03. Therefore P of A intersection B is equal to 0.03. And P of A by B is given, that is P of A by B is equal to 0.6. From this, P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to 0.6. From this, P of B is equal to P of A intersection B by 0.6. P of A intersection B value is 0.03 by 0.6. Therefore P of B is equal to 0.06. Therefore P of B is equal to 0.06. Now we find the value of P of A bar intersection B bar is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. So 1 minus P of A union B means P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So that is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is 0.6, minus P of B, that is 0.06 plus 0.03 equal to 1.03 minus 1.02 equal to 0.88. For P of A bar intersection B bar is equal to 0.88 answer. Let capital X be a binomial variate with parameters n is equal to 6 and P. If 4 into P of X is equal to 4 is equal to P of X is equal to, then P is equal to dash. Here is given that n value is given, that is equal to n is equal to 6, and 4 into P of X is equal to 4, that is equal to P of X is equal to 2. So 4 into P of X is equal to 4, that is 6c4 P to the power of 4 Q square is equal to 6c2 into P square into Q to the power of 4. So that is 4 into 6c4. 6c4 is equal to 6c2. We know that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. That is P to the power of 4 Q square is equal to 6c2 into P square Q to the power of 4. So 6c2 cancelled. So 4 P to the power of 4 Q square is equal to P square into Q to the power of 4. That is P square cancelled, that is 4P square is equal to Q square. So from this 2P is equal to Q. We know that Q is equal to 1 minus P. So 3P is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by 3. So the value of P is 1 by 3.